If your BMW X3 shows a black screen instead of Apple CarPlay, don't panic. It's usually a software glitch you can fix in minutes. Statistically, over 85% of these connection failures are caused by temporary software hangs rather than expensive hardware damage. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your dashboard back to normal. The most effective fix is a hard reset of the iDrive system by holding the volume knob for a full 30 seconds. Sometimes the issue is your phone, especially if you have a pending iOS update or an active VPN blocking the wireless handshake. Check your mobile device settings in the iDrive menu to ensure your phone hasn't defaulted back to standard Bluetooth mode. If a reboot doesn't work and the screen stays black permanently, you might be looking at a failing head unit or a loose LVDS cable. 70% of BMW owners find that the simple iDrive reset solves the black screen issue immediately. If the reset fails, perform a clean pair by deleting the connection from both the car and your iPhone before reconnecting. Keep your connection stable by disabling your personal hotspot and ensuring your iPhone isn't in low power mode. As any technician will tell you, these systems occasionally need a fresh start to clear out cached errors. Your BMW X3 is now ready for your next drive. If this helped, subscribe for more quick troubleshooting playbooks.